Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So today we are filming in sunny Dorset and it's 35 degrees. We do get good weather down here in the south on the coast, but this has been unseasonably hot for June. And the other building, Advanced in Cars, got AC, whereas we haven't got AC over here yet, but we will be investing. So if you can hear any fans or noise in the background, I apologise, but we've had 3 of us working here with the fans on full blast. And it's been fun. 2024 Fiat Ducato. It's a auto sleeper, I believe. Yes, 2024 auto sleeper. This customer has come down to see us from Wales and has already done some sound deadening and speakers of his own, but wanted us to fit the dedicated Alpine subwoofer and the Phoenix Gold amplifier that we fit as part of our premium triple audio package. So this is one of the first vehicles that we've actually done that for as a favour. But the only reason we've done that is because we've also fitted the Alpine Halo 11 on the dedicated Alpine genuine swivel kit, so it moves left and right. That means that we can use RCA or low level inputs and outputs for the head unit and the amplifier and get the best control out of it. Sounds fantastic. We have also then done leisure battery switching, which is something that Hugh wanted to add on. Leisure battery switching means the key is out the ignition, you can just press a button on the dashboard and it's all controlled from the leisure battery for peace of mind. And then because we found that this Uconnect was one of the smaller models, it came with a reversing camera that we are unable to retain. We can retain them, but it goes back to what I said earlier about an interface that's being not very reliable, made in Italy and not a great bit of kit, so we've had to fit an aftermarket camera. On this particular model, we've actually done a dual lens camera, so let me show you what we've been up to. Now, we have talked about this quite a few times before, so I won't bore you too much. If you haven't seen it before, then I'm going to give you a brief outline. So this camera here, this is factory fitted. We do see them, but not that often. We especially don't see them with this size of factory fitted radio that we have found in here today. Normally, the vehicles that have got the 10-inch media system are fully spec'd with traffic sign recognition, front-facing camera, collision warnings, and they normally come with reversing camera and parking sensors. This particular one has been ordered by Auto Sleeper with the 5-inch Uconnect system, and it means that then they have spec'd the reversing camera. The downside is the reversing camera is a high-res version, it's a high definition. Now, about a year ago, 2025, we did do a video on how to retain your factory-fitted high-res camera. The problem is, since then, the interface that we were ordering in from Italy that's not cheap has proven to be unreliable. So therefore, we've removed it and we don't fit that anymore. And we say to people, look, you're better off having an aftermarket version. In this particular instance, we've gone for a dual lens solution. So the dual lens means we have replaced the factory brake light. We've already got this big bulbous housing on here. That's nothing to do with us. That's fitted by Fiat. We've replaced the factory brake light and put a dual lens camera, one that faces down and one that faces back. So when you'll see in a minute when we're in the vehicle, when you put the vehicle into reverse gear, it'll automatically display the reversing camera down here. And then when you want to, you can tap the Alpine screen and you can see the camera view, what's going on behind you. And actually it's really good because if you're on your own and you want to drive or overtake, it gives you plenty of room to see what's going on behind you to then be able to give you that safety and pull out onto unfamiliar roads. All right, So that will all display onto the Alpine Halo 11, and you just effortless interaction. So as soon as you put it into reverse, you can tap the screen, tap other, and then the other image appears. And even then, when you're not putting the vehicle into reverse gear, you can press the dedicated camera button, and then you can toggle between the two camera views, which is really, really good. Right, now let's jump inside and show you the rest of the kit that we fitted today. So we're not going to talk too much about the Halo 11 and the subwoofer and the Phoenix Gold, because we've done loads of these for the premium triple audio package. This is the genuine Alpine Halo 11 Ducato 8 fitting kit with the swivel. So it basically means that you've got swivel left and right. We do sell them, we do fit them. Customer wanted this, so that's what we've ordered in for the customer. And to be fair, when you're driving, it does mean that you've got a little bit more view of the screen and maybe some less glare, but you've also then got adjustment so that you can do that as well. So you've got your tilt. So if it's dead straight like that, you've then got the standard Alpine tilt on the screen. We don't put the screen too low on these because of the fact that this is a manual gearbox. So when you do put it into reverse, you might need to change the way you put it into reverse, because if you're going to do this, you're going to wrap your knuckles, whereas actually doing it like that is no big deal. So that's fine. Key is in the ignition at the moment, but if we take it out of the ignition and hit the new leisure battery switching that we fitted in here, so that then wakes up the CAN bus interface. CAN bus interface then switches on the Alpine and gives you the power through the leisure battery switching. I know we've covered it before, but don't worry about this, because if I turn this off, and it's then, if I was to do exactly the same with the factory radio or with the factory controls and turn it on, it does exactly the same on the instrument cluster because it's waking up the data bus. So let's turn that off, that will go off in a second. So you can simply just press the button. The key is nowhere near the ignition, and it means then the Alpine can be used and enjoyed without worry of the main engine battery going flat, because it's all powered from the leisure battery itself. So that's the leisure battery side of it. We get asked this all the time, and we even get asked by people, can we do it ourselves? The answer is Yes, you can do it yourself. So the problem is I can't just give you information on how to wire up your radio when I'm not in behind your radio knowing what we're working with, how it's been wired, what system you've got, etc., because I don't want to give you wrong advice, so please bear that in mind. We fit these because this customer has specified it and wants that feature, and it looks and works really, really well. So I can turn that off like so. But before I do, if we hit the camera button, which is just here, all of the digital media receivers that we fit from Alpine have got a dedicated camera button. That shows you your downward reversing camera. So if I was to put the vehicle into reverse gear, anytime it's driving, you would get that image there. And then if I tap the screen and click other, that then shows you the rearward facing. And that gives you a really nice view of what is going on behind you. And a nice wide angle too. So that's that, and like that. So I'm going to turn the leisure battery switch off. I'm going to just put the key in the ignition now, and I'm going to put the ignition on like so. Let's just turn the fan off. But if we were to put it into reverse gear, it'll always default to the reversing camera because that's how we've wired it up, that's how we've set it up. So Alpine Halo 11 with genuine Alpine swivel kit, dedicated Fiat Ducato Alpine subwoofer, and the Phoenix Gold monoblock amplifier, leisure battery switching, dual lens camera, job done. If you're interested in any of the products in this video, please do get in touch with us. Contact forms on our website, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, if you don't subscribe to our channel already, hit that subscribe button. It all makes a difference for us and gives us some pennies to buy in more equipment and do more things that are interesting for you guys to watch. So that's it. I hope the weather's not too hot for you wherever you are. Obviously it might be winter when you're watching this, but anyway, and have a good day. See you later.